You know, this is the second biggest complaint that most couples have in their marriage relationship. The first is communication. We just don't communicate the way we want. But the second is we just don't seem to have time with each other. And it doesn't matter your age or your stage. Even newlyweds sometimes feel this way because they're hard working at their careers or what have you. And then kids come along. It's like, whoa. And
we thought it was bad before, and now this.
And now another kid.
Yeah.
So how do you come up with time? Well, one key is to understand your time styles, because when you understand how each of you is hardwired for time, you begin to reclaim the moments you've been missing together.
That is so true. This is really key. Like, I live in the here and now. I'm all about the present, and you are not there.
I'm all about the there and then.
Yeah.
I love planning for the future.
Yeah.
And so we have this very different kind of perspective on time. That's why Leslie can say, hey, let's walk down to the coffee shop. And I'll say, we don't have time. She'll say, what do you mean? It's just like 5 minutes from here. And I said, no, it's like 20 minutes from here. She'll say, well, it feels like 5 minutes. Well, I don't care what it feels like. It's 20 minutes, right?
Because I'm in the here and now, and I'm not scheduled. You're in the future, and you're all about your schedule.
Yeah, and you're really subjective with time, right? It's more about what it feels like.
Yeah, for me, So it's all about, hey, what seems like the right thing to do right now? And for you, it's what was on my schedule.
So here's the deal. As you understand that with each other, it creates more empathy, more grace, and it just connects you because of that. And you begin to realize, oh, okay, so now we need to be intentional. That's awareness, right? Once you become aware of something, then you can do something about it. So you become intentional about carving out these moments that are just for the two of you.
Right. Yeah, and when I'm married to a planner, that involves planning. And when you're married to someone who loves the here and now, it means maybe you keep it a secret plan and you spring it on me spontaneously. Honestly,
always give and take.
We find a way to connect.
Yeah, so there you go. A few tips on recovering the moments you've been missing together.